Hi kiddos! Today we have another fun review activity that we'll do some this year, and this one involves some water, which is awesome to do right now while it's August. So there are many ways you can do this activity, but I'm going to talk to you about two of my favorite. So one of the ways you do it is you get just a little cup or a bowl filled with water, and then you take a paintbrush. It can be like a little bitty paintbrush like used for like your watercolors, or it can be a big one like this one that we use around our house. And you dip it in the water, and then with the things that you need to paint with your water, you paint right on the ground, just like that. See? All right, hopefully y'all can see that in your video. It's hard for me to tell because there's a major glare out here. Another way you can do it, if it's raining outside or you don't have a paintbrush or you don't feel like going outside, is you can take a Q-tip or just a paper towel or just your finger. And you take a sheet of paper, construction paper works great if you have it, and you dip it on there, and then whatever you need to write, you just trace right on there, and it makes a mark on there so that you can read it, okay? And it's just another fun way for us to study and review so we don't get so bored with all the boring old, same old ways. So here we go. Here's what's going to happen in just a second. You're going to pause your video. You're going to get your water and your paintbrush, your paper towel, or your Q-tip and your paper, or you're going to take me outside to your driveway or your sidewalk or however you decide you want to do this. And I am going to call out our definitions and stems, and we're going to have a fun time reviewing. So I can't wait. So pause it, and then we'll get back together in just a second, guys. All right, boys and girls, your first stem. I want you to paint the stem that means under. What stem means under? Did you paint sub, S-U-B? I hope so. All right, so sub means what? Under, exactly. All right, boys and girls, now I want you to paint the stem that means down. What stem means down? D. Good job. D-E. D means down. Can anybody tell me a D word? A word that has D-E in it? Awesome. I'm sure you just gave me lots of amazing examples. I wish I could hear you. All right, boys and girls, paint the stem that means before. P-R-E. Pre. Right? Good job, boys and girls. All right, now I want you to paint the stem that means over. Over. Can you paint it? S-U-P-E-R. Super. And you did a superb job painting the stem that means over. Awesome job, boys and girls. All right, we're going to keep moving. So far we've done sub and D and pre and super. And so, now we're going to do our very last stem, and let's see if we can remember it. What stem, boys and girls, means two, like the number? Bi, B-I. Good job. All right, boys and girls, now, real quick, you're going to paint the definitions. You ready? All right, paint the definition for D. What does D mean? Down. Good job. D-O-W-N. Down. All right, boys and girls, paint the definition for pre. What does pre mean? Before, exactly. B-E-F-O-R-E. Good job. Okay, kiddos, paint the definition for super. O-V-E... R. Over. Good job. Boys and girls, paint the definition for bi. T-W-O. Awesome job. And paint the definition for sub. You ready? What does sub mean? Ready? U-N-D-E-R. Good job. All right, awesome job, boys and girls. And guess what? The best part of this is there's almost no cleanup, because if it's hot today, like it is today when I'm recording this, then your sidewalk's already dry, right? And you helped wash your sidewalk. Kudos to you. You're amazing. Make sure you go give someone in your house an extra hug today, or do an extra tour around the house without being asked, because you are awesome. Love you guys. Bye.